House apartment with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom located in Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Very spacious ng bahay, may sariling metro na kuryente at tubig, tiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Ito po yung details ng na-visit natin at na-locate today, April 2025. House apartment with 1 bedroom sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Ito naman po ang outside view. Ito po yung community. Ito yung video ng kalsada ng house apartment. Wow, lakas ng tubig. Nasa third floor na yan. Third floor na apartment na yan. Pero malakas pa rin yung tubig. See? Hello everyone. Kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po yung house apartment na na-visit natin sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Very spacious. Third floor po ang vacant at meron din sa ground floor. Same lang naman po yung inner o yung feature sa loob ng bahay. So ito po yung unit number 2 na nasa ground floor at meron ding unit na nasa third floor vacant as of today, April 2025. May provision na para sa window type na aircon, very spacious, nakatiles ang flooring, bagong pintura, good for family, good for 5, maximum sa 6 person, no pets allowed, tahimik na klaseng apartment, tahimik sa place. Ito yung house apartment with 1 bedroom sa Imus City.